Welcome back to RsN Hospitality, and today we're diving into an essential topic for anyone in the food and beverage industry, the menu. In this video, we'll explore the purpose, types, and characteristics of menus, and how you can create an effective menu for your restaurant. Let's get started. A menu is more than just a list of food and beverage items with prices. It's a crucial selling tool for any food and beverage outlet. A well-designed menu helps guests decide what they want to eat and drink, and it can be plain or artistic depending on the establishment and occasion. So why does a restaurant need a menu? Here are a few reasons. 1. The menu acts as a bridge between the establishment and the customer. 2. It provides essential information about available dishes, prices, and restaurant policies. 3. It ensures clear pricing for each item, aiding in accurate billing. 4. A well-written menu reduces confusion caused by pronunciation issues. 5. It categorizes dishes, making it easier for guests to choose. 6. It helps identify necessary cutlery, glassware, and other tools. 7. It outlines service skills required, timing, presentation, and support needed. Now, let's talk about the different types of menus commonly used in the food and beverage sector. A la carte. This is a multiple-choice menu where each item is listed with an individual price. It offers a wide variety of dishes, allowing guests to choose as they wish. A la carte menus can have simple or complex structures. Simple structure: starters, main courses, entree; desserts, complex structure, hot starters, cold starters, soups, fish and shellfish dishes, meat, poultry, and game dishes; chef's specials; desserts. Table d'hôtel, meaning table of the host. This menu offers a limited choice, planned in advance, usually for specific functions. Each dish is not individually priced. Instead, the complete meal is sold for a fixed price. It's commonly used for special occasions and buffet menus. Finally, when compiling a menu, consider these components. 1. Supply. Use seasonal and locally available ingredients. 2. Balance. Alternate between light and heavy dishes and vary the sequence. 3. Food value. Preserve the natural nutritive properties of ingredients. 4. Presentation. Choose colors carefully and present them clearly and appealingly. 5. Language. Ensure the menu is written in one language with correct spelling, terms, and sequence. Creating an effective menu can significantly enhance your restaurant's appeal and success. By following these guidelines, you can compile a menu that promotes your restaurant and helps you sell better. Thanks for watching RsN Hospitality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.